we got our first pit barrel cooker. And this smoker is one of the best. Set it and forget it smokers in the market today. Hey, this is Ricer from Dead Broke Barbecue. And on this channel, we try to help enhance and amplify your backyard barbecue fun. In today's video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and show you how to set up this pit barrel cooker so you can start burning some coal. Okay, let's get this bad boy opened up and put together. Awesome, they even give you a thank you, welcome message. Perfect. So what we got on the top is obviously a couple different rubs they give you. An all-purpose pit rub and a beef and game rub. And then your instruction manual. Okay, so what we got inside the bag is gonna be a product guide. You're gonna have your instruction pamphlet, postcard from them thanking you, and along with a sticker. You can put it on your forehead or anything, doesn't matter. But you know, you get a sticker, that's awesome. All right, looks like this is form fit. We got our lid. This is gonna be our parts, sounds like it. Your legs, the barrel's gonna sit on. Here is our grill grate, original cover. This is the ash catcher, so you'll put this underneath your charcoal basket, and this will obviously help make cleanup a lot easier. Now on this version, I ended up getting the swiveled drop hinge grill grate. It's a nice little feature. Pull her back over and you can have something on top, and you can still have your meat hanging. Got a cool pair of pit barrel cooking gloves. These are nice for when you're working inside the drum, that you can grab a hold of stuff and, you know, because there's heat coming up. It gets a little hot sometimes. This is a half-size charcoal starter. So this is made for the pit barrel, but you know what? I think I could use this for other small, slow and cooks on my other equipment that I've got. Here's your charcoal basket. Packaged well again, other things. Obviously, when you're sending something with this type of weight, it's gonna have some beef to it. And now it looks like we're right to the barrel itself. Here's the re-rod. They use these for hanging the meat and also for giving it the correct airflow. And we'll get into that when we get this set up. In the other box, we obviously have our hooks for hanging the meat. They give you a small little Phillips screwdriver, a wrench. Here's the handle for your lid. And you got a couple washers, screw, and some nuts. We got our barrel out. We can start putting this thing together now with our ash catcher and our charcoal basket. It's kind of got like a cool little locking mechanism. You just gotta get it lined up and then turn it, and now it's on. And you put that in. Watch out that you don't hit the grill grate pegs that are in here. You just put it right down on the bottom. So now we're gonna put our handle on our lid. So you just put them on finger tight. But remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Now we'll use our tools, finish it off. Now after you put it together, they put the little horseshoe handles, and now you got your handle here. And they designed this, it just hangs right off the edge, it's perfect. We got our grill grate. I have just the standard grill grate, and I have the one with the hinge grill grate. But we'll just set that in there just to get the idea. Fits in perfect. Take our stand out, put the barrel right up on the stand. Now our re-rod will go in. Take out our hooks, just for display purposes. This pit barrel is awesome. You can put 2 full briskets in this. You can put 6 St. Louis style ribs in this, 8 baby back ribs, 4 pork butts. I mean, this thing's a cooking machine, trust me. Okay, now we're gonna wanna put this cover on. We're gonna have to take the hooks out and the re-rod. Up here in Wisconsin, it gets pretty cold in the winter and we get a lot of snow. So you're gonna wanna cover this thing up. Don't ever put this on as soon as you get done cooking. It's gonna melt, you're gonna have problems. I've wanted one of these for a long time. We got ourselves our pit barrel. Okay, so the last thing that we have to do is get our intake set up for the elevation that we're in. Real simple, so 4 settings, go onto Google, type in your city and ask for the elevation and you'll get it. I'm at just a little over 1,000 in the area that I'm from. So that would be set at just the quarter. We got a lot of snow, thanks. If you are from 0 to 2,000 feet above sea level, you're gonna be at that quarter gap, okay, right here. If you're at 2,000 to 5,000, you're gonna go to half. If you're at 5,000 to 8,000, you go to 3/4. And then if you're at above 8,000, hard to breathe, you're at full. I'm so excited about this pit barrel cooker, I'm taking it outside and cook.
All right, now that we got this thing all assembled, it's time to start cooking. And I'm gonna show you a quick way to light this up. What we do, start out, take your charcoal, and you're gonna fill up the basket. Get the basket full. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some in our chimney so we can light that. Grab a few out. Then you'll go ahead and spread them out a little bit, get them even on top. And then now, take off our lid, put in our trusty grill grate, use a couple wax cubes, and a lighter. And this is one of those torch lighters, it works great. Place your wax cubes in on the grate, light them up, and then go ahead and put on your chimney. Give it about 15 minutes, and we're gonna have some hot coals. Now our coals are nice and hot. We're gonna take them off carefully, set them down on the ground. Grab this with gentle hands because it's gonna be, obviously this grill grate's gonna be hot right here, so just a caution. But I just kind of grab it, let her fold over, lean it up in the back for right now. We're gonna take our charcoal basket, carefully put it in, out for the pegs again. Once you get her in the center, then you're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drop in our coal. Spread it evenly across the top of your charcoal basket. You want all of the coal to light in an even pattern. Then what I do is I take the re-rod and I'll go around and poke a couple little coals just to push them around a little bit so we have a nice even cook. Next, put your re-rod in. Okay, now that you got your re-rod in, it's a perfect opportunity to throw in your favorite type of wood. And then put on your lid. These re-rods were designed to stay in here while you're cooking, not only to hold your meat, but even if you have the grill grate in, they're also meant for the airflow to constrict it a little bit, along with your setting at elevation that you're at. So make sure that you always have the re-rod in when you're cooking. If you want to heat it up a little bit, if you're going to be cooking hamburgers or cooking some brats, pull them out. You don't need them. Leave the lid off. Let this puppy get some heat in it. But when you're doing a low and slow type of set it and forget it cook, have your re-rods in. This thing is coated with porcelain enamel. This is going to last a long time. If you got any questions of any of the things that we used, check the links below. Now that we're burning some coal, it's actually time to cook on this.
Just wait, I don't know what else to say. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, turn on them notifications. Leave a comment below. I might have to get a pair of these gloves just for driving. These things are awesome. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Okay, stop. Who cares about that, Jeff?
Does that sound about right? Did I say enough stuff?